Okay, this is a silk drapery, custom made, really good, high quality.
Google verified review by Teresa T. What a great business. One of our elderly cats peed on our custom silk panel, and I was too afraid to try to clean it myself. In searching for how to clean it, I found Mayor's YouTube video about his business, and I called him to help me. Mayor was a pleasure to deal with and talk to, and he helped me quickly solve my big problem. He gave me very clear instructions on what to do with the panel and how to box it. I shipped the panel to him, and within a few days, he shipped it back, and it was like new. Stains were all gone, and no urine smell at all. It smells fresh and clean. His service was worth every penny. Plus, he gave me great advice about how to handle my cats to prevent further problems.
So this is before. And the other one, the same story. And you can see it's as stiff as a cardboard. I'm going to clean it in my special process. It's a cleaning process that I invented specifically to clean high quality, custom made draperies from urine odor. It doesn't matter if it's a cat or it's a dog. I guarantee the removal of the urine odor. I even believe that I will remove the stain almost permanently. So I'm going to work right now. This is, I'm not going to show you. And tomorrow I'm going to show you after. Hello. Okay. Yesterday, I promise you that I'm going to show you today how the drapery look after. So you're having before, let me show you after. So here's the drapery. You can see the back. Everything is gone, no stain. Look how clean they are. No stain, no odor. I can take it and I can put it. Nothing, no odor, no trace of any odor. No deodorized, no chemicals, no dry cleaning, not all this crap that it's in the market. Nothing. Look at this, how beautiful they are, how clean. No stain, nothing. I can promise you Mrs. Schmidt from Texas will be woohoo! Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. The only one, clean drapery, naturally, organic, green, no chemicals, and I provide amazing service. I love it. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.